In this video, I will show you how to change Steam game download location and install path. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Steam. The first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner, click on Steam up here, and on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto Settings. What that's going to do is open up your settings window, and from here, if you come across to this menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is come down and click onto storage. Now on your storage window, you're going to see all the games installed on your C drive. You can see at the top my C drive is selected, and this is all the games I've got installed. The first thing you're going to want to do is add your other drive. So to do that, come up to the top and click onto this drop down box. You're going to see an option here to add drive. So if you give that a click, it's going to open up your file explorer. What you can then do is come across to this menu on the left hand side, click onto this PC and double click onto the drive that you want to add. Once you've done that, you're going to notice, like myself, your new drive should be appearing in this drop down menu. Now what you can do is from here you can actually move games that you've already got installed on your C drive to this new drive you set up. So to do that, tick the box next to each game you want to move across, then come down and click the move button at the bottom, and you'll be able to select your drive from here and move the games across. Now in terms of installing new games to that new drive, all you need to do, if I come up to my games library, is select the game that you want to install. So let's go for eFootball, and if you actually click onto the blue install button, you're now going to see an option for where you want to install that game to. So of course your C drive is going to be your internal hard drive, your Windows drive, but you can see we've got our other drive here, so this is going to change our install location. So we would select that from here and then click the blue install button. So that's how to change the Steam game download location and install path. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.